Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve timeline on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve timeline on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Discord. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.